Hi, Chef Jay here. Today I'm going to make sauteed shiitake mushrooms. You will need 8 pieces of shiitake mushrooms, 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Step 1. Separate the stems from the caps and remove the tough tips of the stems. Then, thinly slice the stems as they can be quite tough. Step 2. Heat a fry pan over medium heat and melt the butter. Add the shiitake mushrooms and cook for 2-3 minutes until they are nicely browned. Step 3. Flip the mushrooms over and cook for an additional 2 minutes. Step 4. Add soy sauce to the frying pan. Stir the mushrooms in the soy sauce until they are coated evenly. I hope you will enjoy this simple shiitake mushroom dish. Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like and subscribe.